Looking for the best AM5 motherboard for your next Ryzen build? Whether you're on a tight budget or building a future-proof powerhouse, stay tuned, this roundup has something for everyone. Kicking things off at the bottom of our list is the ASRock B850M XR2. This is the most affordable board in today's comparison, and honestly, it shows. But don't count it out just yet. There's still a solid use case for this little guy, especially if you're building a compact or entry-level AM5 system. For a micro ATX board, it offers surprisingly decent storage options including Gen 5 M2 slot, which is rare at this price. It's compact, supports high-speed DDR5 memory up to 8200 MHz, and even comes with a 2.5 GB Ethernet, so you're not entirely giving up on performance. Now here's the downside. You only get 2 RAM slots, so forget about expanding to 128 gigs later. There's no onboard Wi-Fi, and the VRM setup isn't built for anything beyond an 8-core CPU. If you're thinking about slapping a 16-core Ryzen on here, think again. But if you're building a budget-friendly gaming rig or a small form factor PC that won't be overclocked or pushed to the max, this board gets the job done. And hey, if you're looking for any of the boards mentioned in this video at the best price, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Coming in next is the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi, a step up in nearly every way. This board is all about reliable performance and smart compromises that make sense for most mainstream users. It supports 4 RAM slots, has decent VRMs for stable power delivery, and includes Wi-Fi 6 out of the box. You also get a Gen 5 M2 slot for blazing fast storage, which is perfect for gamers and content creators who want speed without the sky-high price tag. Asus's build quality is solid, with the TUF series known for durability and long-term reliability. But unlike some higher-end options, this board doesn't give you a PCIe Gen 5x16 slot for your graphics card. That could be a deal breaker if you want to go all in future GPU tech. And while Wi-Fi 6 is good, Wi-Fi 7 is now standard on premium brands. The rear I/O also lacks some of the high-speed USB options others include. That said, for around $150, this is one of the most balanced boards you can get. Great for mid-range gaming setups and productivity builds that need stability without breaking the bank. And before we move on, take a second to like this video and subscribe for more smart PC build advice every week. Next up is the Gigabyte Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 Ice, a stylish performance-driven board that really hits the sweet spot for modern builds. It packs in solid hardware, efficient power delivery, and standout aesthetics, especially with its White Ice edition. You're getting Gen 5 support not just for storage, but also your GPU, which is a huge deal at this price point. It also includes Wi-Fi 7 and a reliable 2.5 gig LAN setup, making it feel way more premium than the price tag suggests. Gigabyte's toolless Easy Latch system is also a welcome touch for builders. Of course, it's not perfect. The audio codec is fairly basic, so audiophiles may want to look elsewhere. And there's no USB 4 support. Also, while you get 3 PCIe by 16 slots, only one of them is actually usable for full-size GPUs. But if you're after modern features, a clean white build, and Wi-Fi 7 without stepping into premium pricing, this board is definitely one to consider. Now we're getting into enthusiast territory. The MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk is a serious board for gamers and creators who want the latest tech, solid performance, and future-proofing, all without going completely overboard on the price. You get full Gen 5 GPU support, a total of 4 M2 slots, and an incredible range of I/O options, USB 4, Wi-Fi 7, and 5 GB Ethernet. MSI even throws in good VRM cooling and features like debug LEDs and BIOS feedback. But keep in mind, those Gen 5 M2 slots do share bandwidth, so if you max everything out, you might not get the full speed across the board. And there's really only one usable 16 slot for GPUs. Still, this is one of the most well-rounded high-end boards on the market today. If you're running a Ryzen 9, doing some overclocking, or want all the latest ports and slots, the Tomahawk delivers. At the top of our list is the Asus ROG Strix X870 gaming Wi-Fi, and honestly, this thing is a beast. If you want it all, speed, power expandability, and killer looks, this board leaves little to be desired. With 5 M2 slots, 3 of them being Gen 5, plus PCIe Gen 5x16 support for your GPU, dual USB 4 ports, and Wi-Fi 7, it's stacked with future-proof features. The power delivery system is best in class, ready for high-end Ryzen CPUs and aggressive overclocking. It even comes with quality of life extras like toolless Q latches, debug screens, and premium audio. The only real catch, the price. You're definitely going to be paying a premium experience here, and for most users, this might be overkill. But if you're building a top-of-the-line system, streaming, gaming, editing, whatever, you want the best foundation possible, and this board is it. Ready to build? Check out the top AM5 motherboards using the links in the description below to grab the best price today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive PC content.